Hello guys, and welcome back to this tutorial. Now the next tool we'll be talking about is HDR skip. If I delete this HDR skip, now it has came with some presets. You can see the first preset we have in is nature. It works better even when you're working with image that deals with nature. It's maybe the atmosphere outside. Okay, let me bring this in. Come here, HDR skip, and click on nature. Now it's going to give you bring those details out, make them in HDR, and bring out. So let's see before and after. Before, so you can come here, click on here, or just move your hand on the screen to bring out the setting out, so you can adjust the filter strength. Okay, so you come here, increase the brightness, which I love. I want to make it dark, so the saturation, just bring it out. Let me use the brightness. So let's click on this before and after. I think it's looking cool now, right? It's looking cool. Now these are, come here. So these are the presets. Now this one is for people. Let me bring in the picture of a model. Let's bring this in. Come and HDR skip. So it's on people. It works better when you use it on people. So let's see before and after. It's actually giving me a good feel, good vibe. So if you reduce the saturation, increase the saturation a bit. You don't want to increase it too much. And before and after, it's kind of looking cool, right? But when you now try it on, or maybe outdoor. No, I don't want to use that one because it's supposed to be very dark. Let me bring in this one. So when you come to find, increase the saturation, reduce the brightness, filter and strength. You see, it's actually not looking very well for this particular image. So different image with different, so I'll just keep it here. But when we now come and pick on people, these are under presets. It's still looking cool just because of this image. But there are some image you want to use it on to be very, very terrible. So you will just come here. When you come, you can turn on fine. Now you can see this fine is not actually working well for this particular one. I reduced the filter strength because I wanted to make use. I still want to make use of this particular filter. Okay, so that's wonderful. So I can come here and choose on strong. This is another one you might want to try. Now this won't work very well when you use it on a model. Seriously, won't work. So when I come HDR skip, come to strong, wow, you see how bad it is. As I said, you reduce the filter strength. Okay, come here and just play with this, and if you want to brighten the image a bit, you can brighten it up. What? Now the reason this strong is working is because I reduced the filter strength. So you can come to fine. Let me bring fine, increase the filter strength. It's not working very well, but I prefer these people. Even though when I increase the strength, because it's set for humans, that's why it's working so fine. You can just play around this and you get a very good result. I use it for sometimes my designs. I use Pixellab to do my designs, and I also use this to okay, let me bring this in HDR skip. You can see the effect it's giving me, so you can see strong. I don't like strong for this particular one. I don't like this effect, so I can just come here and choose the one that I see fits for myself, see fits for me, and I'll apply it. It's not talking about nature, so it will give me good effect. More or less, that's everything for this particular tutorial. We'll see in the next video.